Hello guys and welcome to my channel, and this is a tutorial using the Rodecaster Pro, connecting to your usual iPhone or normal phone, using connecting it to your Rodecaster Pro for your Facebook Live, your live stream. Okay, so this tutorial could help you, and I just saw in the YouTube one video. I think it's Sean Lamb. Sean Lamb, yeah. Shout out to Sean Lamb for giving us the opportunity to use our Rodecaster Pro to connect to your iPhone or your mobile device to do the live stream on the usual Facebook Live or any other social live platform. So what I'm trying to do is I just follow Sean Lamb's a tutorial video that could help me, and I'm hoping that this video tutorial could help you also. So if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, and of course don't forget to hit that bell button to be updated for my upcoming videos. Okay, so what we're going to use is that we're going to use this kind of device. This is the one that he shows us. So by the way, I'm here in Kuwait, so I'm not in the US or in the Philippines. So, okay, so I just found out that this device, it's I think in the Amazon, it's a $30. It's the Lightning to USB camera adapter. So I'll just pull you up the photo of the actual adapter, camera adapter. Okay, so just like the normal USB, so you're going to connect this camera kit to your mobile, then connect it to your USB on your Rodecaster. In Rodecaster, there is a USB, so the usual that we're doing on our laptop. So this is a tutorial for using the mobile phone. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just put this thing here, and it's just like your Rode provided us the USB connector, so you have to connect it, okay, like this. And for the demonstration, I'm going to share you the screen recording that I did last night. So I hope that this video could help you. So the the whole of the procedure. Okay, so this is it. I'm going to show you right now the actual that I did last night. It's on the Facebook Live. Hello, good evening. Good evening, good evening, good evening. Live na ba? Live na ba? Okay, so that's the live. That's the live that I did last night on my mobile. So that's the actual live when I connect this camera adapter to the Rodecaster using the USB function. Okay, so you know the procedure on your mobile. Connect this camera adapter kit to your USB of your Rode. Then the usual that you can use your sound pads and everything. So if you want to go mobile, you will not use your laptop. So only you have is your usual iPhone or any other Android device. Connect it to USB-C. On the iPhone 6 that I'm using is the USB-C and a camera adapter. Connect this to the Rodecaster Pro USB function and connect it. And what you see on the video on the right side is the actual Facebook Live. So I did screen recorded it on my iPhone, and I save it on my mobile and on my laptop, so that you can see the actual procedure that I did using the Rodecaster Pro to my mobile. Okay, this is the actual. We're live. Hello. Makita. Okay, I pause it so that in the picture-in-picture, actually I'm using the Streamyard recording function. So I just did is so I maximize this video that I share. So for me, the host is a small one. So okay, I will I will make a background rewind so that you can see that there is an actual uh, comment that comment on my live. Okay, so I do it again. Ayun, we have one visitor. Just a test, quick test lang. Hello. Hello sa ating one visitor. Sino ka? Ayun. Hello. Testing natin. Okay, so that's the actual demonstration using the Rodecaster Pro to your mobile phone using this in iPhone or Apple. So I will share the actual photo of this one. Okay, just give me a sec. So this is the Lightning to USB camera adapter. Okay, so I'll post the actual model of this Lightning adapter so that you can check it on Amazon or any other online store that it's available to your country. So for me, I buy here in the local market. So it's around like that, $30. Okay, so I'm going to share one more video that I did also last night. Okay, so it's almost the same video that I did, but this one there is no comments that coming out on my screen. Hello, good evening. Good evening. So I'll just make some forward. Okay. On the background that I use one of the sound pads here. One of the sound pads that I used using on the demonstration. Okay. So what you can hear is the same background that I used using this mobile. Okay, on my intro, the intro music on the video, start of the video, this is the one. Okay, that's it. So I'm hoping that this short tutorial can help you guys, those who are searching for a video in the YouTube that using the Rodecaster Pro to your mobile. The usual that we did is we're using the Rodecaster Pro to our laptop or to our PC or to our MacBook. So what we did is I did a research for this one. So I saw one video that is Sean Lamb. Thank you so much, Sean Lamb, for that video. So what I did is I just do the same, but I demonstrate and I share to you what is the camera connector that you have to use. Okay, so I'm hoping that this video could help you, and please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. thank you very much and God bless.